I'm going to show you how to use Grid Explorer, which is your dashboard for accessing and organising your grid sets. It is fully accessible using whatever access methods have been set up for this user. So to launch a grid set, simply click on its tile, and to get back to Grid Explorer, I access it from the menu bar. I can change the order in which the tiles appear on screen by selecting Arrange Grid Sets, and I can just click and drag the tiles around to where I want them to be. I can also organise them into folders. And then just drag the tiles in, like so. Once I'm done, click Finish Arranging. To navigate between screens, just click on the arrows at the side, or you can swipe between screens on a touch screen. If I want to add some grid sets for this user, click Add Grid Set, and then I can choose to add a brand new grid set. I can add a grid set from one of the standard grid sets that comes with Grid 3 that are split into the 6 main areas. I can make a copy of a grid set to use an existing grid set as a template for a new one. Or I can add a grid from Online Grids, which is our sharing resource containing hundreds of ready-made grid sets, and they're organised by category, or you can search by keyword. So let's add an ebook reader grid set. And that is downloaded and ready for use. I can also add a grid set from a file, for example, that's maybe stored on a memory stick. And finally, if I have the Grid 2 installed, I can import grid sets from the Grid 2. And that grid set is imported as easily as that. I can also export grid sets, for example to Online Grids or to Grid Player. I can access settings for this user from here. I can change to a different user, or I can sign in to remote edit another user's grid sets. And there's much more on these features in other videos in the series.